Hey guys, Dennis and Kulika here.
Hi.
And another video. Today we're going to show you how the greenhouse is doing. It's really coming along nicely, hey Kulika?
Yeah, 2 months too late too.
No, but it looks good. Just wait till I show you guys. Let's take a look at it now. Yeah, look at this. Remember the last time you guys seen this, it didn't look this good. So, it's mainly tomatoes and what, zucchini and peppers in
Yeah,
here?
zucchini, they shouldn't really be in a greenhouse, but I just planted them
zucchini
here
there,
because I didn't have a place for them prepared in a garden, and now they're too big to be transplanted, so they're just fine where they are.
Yeah, and then there's a bunch of tomatoes in here. You can see, guys, look at that.
These ones there, I just stuck them there too, because they were supposed to be transplanted later, but looks like it's way too late now, so I'm gonna just leave them.
And these are the peppers?
These are peppers, yeah.
Yummy,
they
yeah.
should be sweet peppers. I hope they're sweet peppers, but there are some hot peppers mixed with them,
Yeah.
so I can't tell which ones are which. I guess I'll find out.
We'll have some spicy dinners. So look, last time you seen this, she didn't have this in this corner here, and then remember the middle? She's still working on it, but look how good it's looking. She has an area to go in the middle here. She can go walk from there and water and fertilize and stuff.
Yeah, I wish I had been at that point at the end of May.
But now we're into August, guys.
Yeah.
But there's time left, and it's in a greenhouse, so this is when the greenhouse comes into play.
Yeah, the idea of a greenhouse is to really start the growing season early and finish it later, just to extend it. So in the middle of summer, it's not really needed. It's way too hot actually. But yeah, hey, well, this is experimental year, so we'll see.
But look at that, guys.
Yeah, actually the reason why it took so long for me to get to this point is because it has been such excessive heat, terrible heat,
Yeah.
and mosquitoes and
Yeah.
raining and just
Yeah.
all kinds of obstacles in my way, because I wanted to go to the forest and get some semi-rotten logs to bury in those planter boxes in the bottom to bring the ground level high up. So it just was so hard to get to the forest because of the rain and mosquitoes. So now I finally got it done.
That's right. So guys, what do you think? So I'm going to show you something else. Wait till you see what else she's been working on. And look what else she started here. She's building a ranch style fence. She's going to put, these are wood all from our own forest over there, guys. This is from our own. We haven't bought them or anything. And they were, you know, they were dead trees, and we cut them down and took the branches off. And actually yesterday I went in the bush with her and we did some harvesting. So look at this. Take a look at that. Actually, you did it all yourself. Is it hard, Kulika?
Yeah, I'm
That's
pretty
hard.
excited about my
Is that a hard
project,
job?
Yeah.
It's a hard job, right?
Yeah, with hand saw, because I really only have hand saw.
Actually, guys, I went with the chainsaw yesterday into the bush. We did cut some down. Because look, you can see here,
Yeah,
I'll show you.
I'm scared to use a chainsaw, so, and it's so hard to get it started. So by the time I get it started, I'll have it done with hand saw.
Look, cut a bunch down, we threw them in here. I used the chainsaw and then we hauled them out. Look, Pop's inspecting. But isn't that nice, guys? We're going to have a ranch style fence here.
Yeah, actually I want that kind of fence all around the yard site. So first I'll put it around the garden area, and then I want to extend it around the full yard site.
Yeah. And guys, in the last video I showed you, I was brush cutting there again, and I showed you a little bit. Let's go over there now and I'll show you what I did. I got it all done. Yeah, look at this. Look at all the work I did. You saw that in the last video. This was all bush, and there was even some small sized trees here. So yeah, even Pop's looking at it. She's inspecting. So that was hard work, guys, but it looks pretty good now. So yeah, that was a lot of sweat there, a lot of hard work. But now I'm just going to maintain it with the trimmer, because, you know, we might put the propane tank there or something. Like, we're going to have to get someone in here and take a look. But Kulika wanted to show you her little flower bed before the end of the video here now. So let's go take a look at that.
Here's a little update about my flower bed. Actually, it's still under construction. I wish I had it at a little more advanced point by the time I am going to show it to you. But hey, well, this is still in process. So I actually want to put the same kind of ranch style fencing along, like behind it, like as a backdrop of the flower bed. And then I want to obviously organize and clean it up from weeds, because I planted a bunch of wildflowers here from seeds, and I don't know what are all these things that are coming out from those seeds. Some things like, they look like a kind of weeds to me, so I have to weed all these out. And yeah, but some things are really nice. I don't even know what they are. These are really nice. I really like those. Too bad I planted them so densely though. They don't have much room to grow. But here I want to organize, take some out and plant somewhere else. And
Pop.
a lot to do here.
Pop supervising. Yeah, I just wanted to show you this, guys. Isn't it nice?
Yeah, I want to put that kind of ranch style fence.
Yeah, what
as
we
a
just showed you,
background,
yeah.
that will look nice, much nicer than. I actually want to make it wider too, so.
There's the supervisor.
Anything I'm making here, I just keep stretching the limits, like the garden. It started as a small patch, and now I just keep keep extending it and making bigger and bigger.
So, guys, everything's coming along nice, but a little late, right, Kulika?
Yeah, I wish it was. I wish I had been at this point 2 months ago, so the growing season would have still been fully ahead. But hey, well, this is a kind of experimental year. So.
Experimental year, first full year here, like.
And the big part of the summer took just to get to this point to prepare, and they're still not prepared. I have so much work to do yet. I actually want all this grass out from the garden area for next spring.
So, guys, in the next video, we'll show you the garden, do an update there, but we won't show you that because that'll take. She wants, take her time and show you things, how that's going, but you'll look for that video. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next one.
See you.
Please subscribe if you're new here.